Hey guys, welcome back to the new video and let's talk about the best fuel credit card in India. And it is none other than what is on your screen. It is the Indian Oil RBL Bank Xtra credit card. The reason for it being the best is basically it gives you an 8.5% value in terms of fuel when you spend it and redeem it on Indian Oil fuel stations. Basically, what you get is 7.5% in terms of fuel points and 1% in terms of surcharge waiver. However, there are a few quirks. Like not all the Indian Oil bunks are eligible, but we will share you the list of the ones which you have. One more thing which is good about this credit card is the approval rates. As per my research, it's around 23%. So 1 in every 4 person is going to be eligible for this card if you apply through the link which is given in the description. So basically you get a maximum of 2,000 fuel points per month, that is worth rupees 1,000. And if we calculate the basic amount of fuel points, you get 15 per 100 on Indian Oil fuel stations. As you can see over here, 15 fuel points per 100 will mean approximately 13,330 rupees worth of Indian Oil fuels. So that's more like 2 times a month if you fill your tank in a big car, or 3 times a month if you do it in a small car. Otherwise, you get 2 fuel points per 100, that is 1% in terms of returns when you use it for purchases like shopping and more. This card is a paid card and a premium one at that. This card's annual fees is 1,499 plus GST, but for the first month you get Indian Oil points, fuel points worth rupees 1,500, that is 3,000, which covers the joining fees. You only have to pay the extra GST, and the fee card waiver is at 2,75,000. So even if you spend for the accelerated rewards for 13,333 per month, that comes out to be around 1.6 lakh in a year. So basically you have to spend around 1.15 lakh per year extra to get the fee waiver. Apart from that, you have a quarterly annual bonus as well. What's that? You basically get 1,000 fuel points every quarter when you spend 75,000. In that case, you have to spend 3 lakh in a year to get 4,000 extra fuel points worth rupees 2,000. You have to understand that whenever you spend these much, like approximately 3 lakh in a year, the total amount of value you can get is good actually. So 24,000 from the normal accelerated reward points of 7.5%, plus you get 3,000 for the fuel points as a joining bonus, plus you get 4,000 points for the quarterly milestones. So that comes out to be around 31,000 fuel points. However, out of this, the base reward of the 1.34 lakh is around 2 per 100. So basically what you get over this 31,000 rupees, 31,000 fuel points is 134,000 divided by 100 into 2. So adding this with the 31,000, you get 33,680 rupees, or if you divide it by 2, you get 16,840 rupees worth of fuel for the first year when you spend 3 lakh rupees. So in terms of returns, this is approximately 5.61%, which is actually not that good. If you only spend for the accelerated rewards, you can get a bit more, but again, since 1,500 annual charges are there, the annual benefits comes out to a bit lower, because the maximum accelerated rewards you can get in a year for fuel spends is approximately 24,000 plus 3,000 joining fees. So overall, if you consider how much you have spent on this card, it is somewhere around 5.5%, which seems to be a pretty good deal as compared to some of the other fuel cards. The other fuel cards which you can have in your kitty is the Indian Oil BPCL Octane, the BPCL Octane card from SBI or the Power Plus card from IDFC. But again, it depends on if the Indian Oil fuel bunk is with you, or the BPCL one, or the HPCL one. The major issue with this card is this is a co-branded card and you get the basic reward points. But if you are on the RuPay platform, you generally have to spend over 2000 rupees on UPI to get any kind of reward points. Apart from that, the fuel bunk which is there is limited, and these utilities, insurance, Kaushik Gas, railways, real estate, rental, wallet, government, contracted services, cash and miscellaneous will not fetch you any reward points. That is the basic issue with this card. One more thing, the number of fuel points which is eligible for this benefit is shown over here. So kindly check whether if you are eligible for this, like if any fuel bunk is nearby your home. Otherwise, this card will not make a lot of sense. Selectively, this card will make a bit of sense, but again, you have to see whether actually you will be able to get these benefits or not. Annual fee waiver is at 2.5 lakh, which is on a higher side, and the overall reward rate is somewhere around 5.5% if you consider the joining fees which you pay upfront. All in all, this is a 3.5 star fuel card from my side out of 5 stars, and absolutely depends on the ease of usage of this card along with your other cards if you are in a hurry. Otherwise, the better option would be to use your basic card to fill the fuel through FASTag, or even use some of the vouchers which are available with some of the cards. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. On this channel, we have more than 32,700 subscribers, and the membership only videos are also live. So if you want to support the channel, get access to the WhatsApp group and get access to the membership videos, do subscribe and be a member of this channel, and we will add you to the WhatsApp group for the period of your membership. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Take care, bye bye, see you, and Jai Hind.